the whole environment, the whole friendly, I want to be friends with you, I want to be friends with the 20 other people on the boat. I just immediately fell in love with it.
What it feels to be like on the water, because you're so focused on trying to get everything right. Like there's so many little parts to how you're supposed to paddle. I like that that's all you focus on, and everything that you have in life outside of paddling at the moment, it just doesn't matter.
Once you're out on the water, it's like a second home to you. You feel like you're more comfortable there, just like paddling your heart out. It's one of the greatest experiences that I can ever ask for.